Today we're going to be looking at this strategy here. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at a BTC trading strategy on TradingView. I'm going to be backtesting it as far as I possibly can. I'm still on holiday, back at the office on Monday. I look forward to being back in the Discord with everybody. So without further ado, let's get over to my computer. Let's go. Okay guys, here I am on TradingView. I'm on BTC USDT on the 2-hour time frame. Now I know I have been doing a couple of higher time frame strategies in the past couple of days whilst I've been on holiday. The reason is they're a little bit easier for me to optimize. I will get back to lower time frame strategies as soon as possible, but it is still good to use these for diversification. Right, okay, so first thing I'm going to do is add our indicators. The first indicator is going to be called the Ichimoku Cloud. Here by David Tech. If you're interested in using any of the free David Tech indicators, you can go over to davidtech.com and press free indicators up here. We're going to be using the Ichimoku Cloud as a trend direction, so it will be here in this area here. Just click on any of those and you'll be able to add it to your favorites by clicking here. And that will add this indicator to TradingView for you, and you'll be able to find it in your favorites list. So now we're going to look for Ichimoku Cloud by David Tech. We're going to add that to our chart. As you can see, it has lots of different colors in the background. We're going to remove the colors from the background, remove the crossover. We're going to remove the candle confirmation, and then we're going to leave it exactly as it is here. So as you can see, the two lines that are interesting to us for our baseline, the baseline giving us our trend direction, is this one here and this one here. But the Ichimoku Cloud actually crosses much further on in the chart, is our leading indicator. So we actually have to come a bit further forward to see that our crossover was actually here. This giving this red background here, so you can actually see it on the candle where you actually are. So we're looking for a red background in the background to confirm that we are actually taking a short, and we're looking for a green background, meaning the candles are above the current cloud and they're also, the green is above the red, and we're looking for a green background to take our long. Pretty simple for the baseline. Now let's move on and we're going to add the next indicator. The next indicator is our confirmation indicator. As we are always trading several indicators here, we're looking for our baseline, the baseline being the trend direction. Then we have confirmation indicators that allows us to take our entries. Next indicator we're going to be adding is the top and bottom indicator by David Tech. The top bottom indicator, TBI by David Tech, we click here to add this indicator just here. Now this indicator is pretty powerful. It works with higher highs and lower lows to create this crossover indicator just here. Now there is a threshold as well. We would like for the blue to be above the red when taking longs, but we currently have a threshold of 50. We're going to reduce our threshold to 25, and we're going to remove the crossover confirmation. This will give us a green background, very much like the Ichimoku Cloud. We can take trades when the blue is above the red, and we have a green background. This meaning that the crossover of this blue line here was actually over the 25. So we're going to be taking entries very much like this one just here, which as you can see would have given us a pump of around 11%, which is absolutely brilliant. Okay, but obviously this isn't going to be enough. We're going to need a volatility indicator to make sure that we are not going into the market when there is no movement. When movement is going sideways like this, we'd get stopped out here all the time, and we don't want that, as it will create lots of small stop losses, which will obviously destroy our trading strategy. So the next indicator that we're going to be adding is the stiffness index. The stiffness indicator by David Tech, this one just here. As always, you can find it on the website at davidtech.com. The stiffness indicator, we're going to go over to the cog. We're not going to change much. The only thing we're going to change is the threshold. The threshold needs to be at 65, as the trading strategy doesn't need to filter out all of the actual trades. Now by moving the 65 down here, that actually moves this red line a bit lower. The stiffness indicator is actually this yellow line. This is our threshold. All we need is for the stiffness line, the yellow line, to be above the red, and that allows us to either take a long or a short on the market. So it would have confirmed our entry just here. We're going to take a long. We're going to go on the following candle just here. Let's move this one along to here. we're going to set our position to the open of the following candle, and we're going to set our stop loss to the ATR bands. So we're going to add the ATR bands by David Tech, this one just here. We're going to set our ATR bands to 2.5, just like so. We're going to set our stop loss to the lower ATR band, and we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 2. Boom! As you can see, we would have taken 5.16% out of the market with a stop loss of 2.58%. Brilliant! Right, I'm going to go away now and code this, and I'll be back with the backtesting results within a couple of seconds. Let's go!
Come on, David, and once again he's going to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Okay, traders, the backtesting results are in, but before I go over to the backtesting results, I'd love to invite you guys over to the brand new David Tech website, where you can see all of the backtesting results of the elite backtesters and our wonderful strategies that we're putting together. You can see how they're actually trading live. As you can see 7-day, 30-day and 90-day performance. You can see the equity curve on backtesting and also on forward testing. Some of them are amazing, some of them are not so great, but that is what we're trying to prove. We're trying to prove that some strategies work, some don't. If you click on this yellow button here, you can copy any of our trading strategies over to your exchange, and it will take all of the trades automatically. Okay guys, the backtesting results are in. Drum roll please. Boom! Right, as you can see, the equity curve looks pretty amazing. As you can see, the backtesting results look pretty amazing here. We have 2,391%. Total closed trades was 116. A 56% win rate, which is brilliant. A 2.431 profit factor, which is absolutely amazing. We have a max drawdown of 18%, knowing that we're on 10x leverage, which is brilliant. If I go over to the buy and hold ratio, if you would have purchased BTC here, you would have made 850%. With this trading strategy, we are up 2,391%. So we absolutely crushed the buy and hold return. Let's have a look at some of these other stats as well. As you can see, there were many months where there wasn't many trades, a couple of red months, but the green months were much bigger wins than the actual red losses. If we look at the max wins in a row, they were 7, max losses in a row were 4, total wins were 65, total losses were 51, total trades, as I said earlier, was 116. Okay guys, I have one last thing to do, and that is to give away 1 million bonk to a random comment from this video here. There were 37 comments. Let's go. Guys, once a week I'm going to be giving away $500 to the most viewed clip of this video or any video of David Tech from this week. Whoever has the most viewed TikTok or YouTube short using this video or the videos from this week, I will send you $500. This is every week and going to be going on throughout the whole of this month and probably for the foreseeable future. You can post as many times as you want. You must tag my TikTok or YouTube username, and you must add David Tech in the title and in the description. I look forward to seeing all your clips, and I look forward to seeing the winners. Let's go. Boom, congratulations to you. You've just earned 1 million bonk. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. As I said, it's getting extremely windy here, so I'm gonna go down the mountain back to my rental. I will see you on Monday. Have an absolutely wonderful weekend. I look forward to speaking to you all on Discord. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Monday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's going to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD. If he doesn't run into anybody.